On what should have been a rather normal night, Florida officers responded to a gas station in reference to a physical altercation between two females. The women were reportedly married to each other, and one of them was hitting and kicking the other in her face.
Ma'am, come step over here and talk to me.
Who, me?
Yep.
What's up?
What's going on tonight?
What do you mean what's going on tonight?
I got a call that y'all two were fighting in the car. What's going on?
Yeah, go ask her. Go ask her.
You can't tell me what's going on tonight?
I'll tell you what's going on tonight. That's my wife.
Okay.
We're married, and she beat my fucking ass before she came up here to pick me up.
Okay.
That's what's going on tonight.
Okay, alright. Do you want to see EMS all right now?
Do what?
You want to see EMS all right now?
No.
I gotta ask.
I mean, why would I want to do all that?
I gotta ask. I don't know if you're hurt or anything. Do you have?
Of course I'm not hurt.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't have an ID on me. My name's Carly.
Carly? With a K or with a C?
However you want to spell it, man.
I gotta know how you actually spell it.
Look it up. You'll find it.
That
Go pull that tag.
ain't how it works.
Pull that tag. You'll find it.
I gotta have your name.
Pull my wife out here right now.
That's not how that works either.
Pull my wife out here right now.
Come here.
Pull my
You ain't
wife
going
out
inside.
here right now.
You ain't going inside.
I'm not trying to go inside.
That's right where you're walking.
I'm gonna sit right here.
That's fine.
She's just drunk. And she wanted out of my car whenever I was driving home. I work at Roost Chris at Destin.
Okay.
And so I was on my way home, and she was with me because she had my car while I was at work. And
Who is she?
my wife. We're
Okay.
legally married. But she was having a fit, and she wanted out of the car.
I mean, goddamn.
Thanks.
What the f?
We're simply just trying to do our job.
Okay, do your job. My last name is Moore.
What's your first, middle, and date of birth?
What's your first middle name of f***ing birth? Shit. You want to give me a blood sample?
What's your name and date of birth?
F*** you. I ain't giving you nothing. Ridiculous ass mother. You got me fucked up.
So let's wait and see.
Okay.
She says it was physical.
What? What you gonna do? Take me down? Take me to jail? Fucking shit. I don't give a what y'all want to do. What's Carly? I told you my name,
I just asked you if it was a K or a C.
Ugh.
That's it.
and I farted in your face, and then that's it.
Okay.
Shit. Give a fuck about you or your mom.
I don't know what my mom has to do with this.
What's gonna do? Beat me up? I've been beat up by my ex-husband way more than y'all could ever touch me.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry to hear
Anything
that.
y'all could do would never touch me. Shit. You're weak for... I mean... Please.
She was just being really hateful whenever we were on our way back, and she wanted out of the car. I don't even know what she got mad about, to be really honest with you. And she started kicking my window, and I was like trying to hold her in the car, and she was opening my door when I was done 45 right there whenever you first turned on 87.
Yeah.
And so I slowed down, and I'm like, stop! What's your problem, Carly? You know, and
She have problems with drinking, or how long has this been going on?
I mean, she's been drinking like this since I've known her, like 10 years. I mean, we've only been married for 2 years, 2 years and a half, but she's just always drinking.
All right.
Alright, what we doing, man? Take me to jail? You wanna take me to jail? Come on.
To go to jail?
I mean, that's what y'all here to do? Ain't it?
We got a call that y'all were fighting. So we're waiting to see what
Who
she
was
says.
fighting?
Apparently you and your wife are fighting in the car. That's why we're here.
Me and my wife was fighting in the car?
That's what I was told. That's why we're here.
Okie dokie. You have a good time with that.
Okay.
Have fun with that. I would rather walk my ass up that midnight ass road. Look at it. It's black, dark. Nobody's even down there. I'd rather do that by myself than deal with y'all telling me me and my wife had a fight.
I didn't say that. That's what we were told when someone else called in.
No, that's what we were told. But you're here telling me I'm doing that. Go get my wife. That's
Talking to the deputy inside.
okay. Well, let's bring him out here.
We're waiting to see what she has to say. She don't want to be out here.
she don't want to be out here. Nope. I'm sure she don't. She ain't got no goddamn clothes on.
The officers were surprised at the way the female was acting so erratically, and even her wife was visibly traumatized by her actions. Let's see if she learns to act better before things get worse for her.
She showed up walking from somewhere, got a beer, paid for the beer there, then came back, and then she got bruised on her hands, or they said her girlfriend left her down the road, or whatever. So I let her use the phone, stayed here the phone for a while. She called her girlfriend. They kept going back and forth on the cell phone. So I told the girlfriend silently, like, hey, I told the girlfriend, hey, you want to come get her?
Man, it's on everything I love.
So the girlfriend pulled up. As soon as she pulled up, she went in the car and started attacking me. Like, hops in the car, wrong. So the guy.
Who started hitting him? She jumped in the car.
Okay.
I don't care if y'all take me to jail right now. Y'all scaring me.
Nobody's trying to scare you.
Been in jail before?
Nobody's trying to scare you.
Yeah, I've been in jail.
Okay, so have I.
Shit, you ain't shit to me.
Nobody said I was trying to be shit to you.
Y'all motherfuckers ain't shit to me.
Okay.
Take me to jail. Take me to jail right motherfucking now.
Would there be a way we could look at camera footage?
I can call my manager to get
This young man over here.
Give me 1 second.
No, I sit here and wait on my wife.
Just give me 1 second.
Time. And then on top of that, y'all want to go back there and look at the other side of that sign and see what the was waiting on?
What about the other side of the sign?
That's where I was sitting.
Okay.
Okay.
You weren't in the car?
In what car?
That car.
That car wasn't here. My car left me. My car. That's my vehicle. Not hers. Mine.
Okay, you just said your car left you, but it's right there.
But now she's here to get me. And y'all are here all of a sudden. Motherfucker. Y'all are dumb. Y'all are stupid.
No, just confused.
What the is going on? Yeah, you are confused.
Well, you're confusing. You're very confusing.
What have I done to be confusing?
First you said your car wasn't here, then you said it was here.
That's my vehicle.
Okay.
In my name. Insured in my name. What you gonna do? Hit me? I don't give a about you. You ain't gonna hurt me. That's my vehicle in my name.
Okay.
Let me back up as I say it so you ain't scared. And not only that, but when it pulled up, my wife was in it.
Okay, were you in that vehicle at any time during the night?
All night I was in that vehicle.
Just a minute ago you said you weren't.
All night I was in that vehicle.
But just a minute ago you said you weren't. You understand why I'm confused? First you said you weren't in it. Now you say you were in it all night.
Pulled up? No.
Well, how could you be in it all night if you weren't in it when it was pulling up?
Because we were together all night. Me and my wife. All night we were together.
Okay, but you weren't in the vehicle when it pulled up.
Shut the f*** up. You're dumb.
No, I'm just trying to clarify what you're telling me. I'm trying to clarify what
your mom's grave. You stupid mother.
What?
Suck my dick. You're
wow.
Stupid. You're stupid is what you are.
Okay.
Seemingly left without a choice, there was only one way for the officers to go forward.
We're going 10-15.
Are you?
Yeah.
Well, let's do it.
Alright.
What, take me to jail?
Yeah, I need you to put your hands
Come
on
on. No. Oh, what y'all gonna do? Take me down? Shit, I'll put my hands behind my back for you. You stupid mother. Like I'm scared of y'all. Like I've been.
Hold on, sort this out. Hold on a second.
Let's go! Let's go! Take me to jail!
Battery on.
Stop! Now! You!
Go back inside.
Stop! Harley, for the love of God, stop! I'm not doing this talking to you like Harley!
Do not kick me, mother. I swear to God, you will get a payment. Now stop resisting. We're beyond that. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you gonna quit?
Yes. I'm gonna quit.
We gotta get her. I know.
I'm gonna quit.
I just want this door open.
Let's double lock these real quick. Nobody's double locking now.
No.
And she's also going to kick battery on Leo. Cause
Yeah,
she
kicked me. She's gonna catch a couple of them.
Do what?
She's gonna catch a couple of them. Just want to make sure the other half doesn't take off.
I'm not gonna kick again.
Just let me know when you're done with that stuff.
I don't know if you can see it on my camera or not, but she clearly kicked me right here.
Relax.
I'm trying to.
You need to be done.
I am done. I'm not messing with y'all no more. All I'm saying is I can't relax, so.
Alright, you're gonna take a seat in this car, alright?
Do what?
Take a seat in this car.
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
Alright, great. Sit down.
Hold on, let me.
You're good.
I'm a little older than y'all think I am.
You're good.
All right, hold on.